The bulls fought their way back today. Wall Street rebounded sharply thanks in large part to the surge in oil, which jumped 3.7%. The markets recovered nearly all of their losses from yesterday's trading session. At one point, the Dow was up 300 points at session highs, but in the end closed higher, this time by 282 points. The S&P gained more than 26 points. The Nasdaq jumped nearly 50. Oprah Winfrey proves it works. Weight Watchers stock surging after the queen of all media tweeted that she's already lost 26 pounds through the weight loss program and by having a little bread every day. Oprah announced in October she had taken a 10% stake in the company. That's a $43 million investment. Shares of Weight Watchers jumped some 20% today. Tech giant Apple reported first quarter earnings after the bell. The iPhone maker did beat on earnings per share, but missed on revenue. iPhone sales, this is what everybody was watching for, accounted for 68% of Apple's revenue during the quarter. And here's the number. Apple sold 74.8 million iPhones, but that actually missed the 76.5 million in sales that were expected by analysts. Apple got 24% of its total revenue from China in the first quarter. So here's what shares did. Initially, they jumped after earnings, but have since fallen flat. And the nation's second largest wireless company, AT&T, reported fourth quarter earnings this afternoon. The company came in line with EPS, but missed slightly on revenue. Revenue was up 22% in the fourth quarter versus a year ago, primarily due to the DirecTV acquisition. Shares of the telecom giant are down slightly after hours. Now listen, there are some big name earnings you need to keep an eye on tomorrow, including Boeing, that comes before the bell, and then eBay and Facebook reporting after the bell. The final hour of trade is the most important and exciting hour of trade. I've got you covered on Countdown to the Closing Bell every weekday, 3 p.m. Eastern on Fox Business. See you then. Have a great night.